Okay guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to give you a good roadmap to getting started with forex trading. And we need you to wait to the end of this training because I'm going to give you a free gift that is going to help you in this journey. So stay with me. So, and also if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, because I always post something beneficial, something useful. Once I find it that is helpful, I will upload it here so that all of you can consume it and learn. So let's get started. Now, how can you start with forex trading? See, these are the things you need to know. These are the things you need to know, and I've marked it out. This is your journey from A to Z. So now the first thing is you need to understand times. There are different times in forex trading. So if you skip this basics time, you will get yourself confused. So times like leverage, like margin, like equity, like position size, they are very important. So try as much as possible to understand all these terms. That is the first thing. Then the next thing is to pick your unique strategy. Now there are different strategies in trading forex. For example, the use of indicator. You can use 2 3 indicator. When the three of them align, then you can enter trade. Then you can also use price action. You can use chart patterns. You can use smart money concept. There are many. So all you just need to do is pick one out of this. Don't start with price action and later you jump back to you start applying indicator. At the end of the day, you confuse yourself, and which will eventually lead to you losing a lot from the market. So pick your unique strategy. Then number 3 is follow your strategies. This the beautiful thing of it is to make consistent income current on what is trending in that particular strategy that you are using. So you refine it and you keep on repeating it. So the most important thing is get yourself a trading journal. A trading journal is a document that shows your progress. It's a document that shows every trade you enter. For example, on this day, maybe 20th September 2025, you enter a trade USD JPY by 8 a.m. and this is the profit, this is the price, the entry price, this is the closing price, and what triggers you. So it is a document that shows you your progress. So I will still make a video on how to make use of a trading journal in your trading journey. So, and the next thing is, once you certify that your trading journal has certified that you are okay, you are now profitable, you are now getting a return. So then you can now start with a little capital, probably with $50 or $100. So, and that is you going live. Did you get that? So all these things that you have done here, all this you have actually done it on demo account. You have done it on demo account. So now, since you are now discovered that you are now profitable, you can now go live with either $50 or $100. So now I promise you that I'm going to give you a 100% free resource that is going to help you in this journey. So let's head to YouTube. All right, so this is YouTube, and I'm going to be recommending channels that is going to help you to understand some strategy. And this first one is Renatio. Renatio has about 2.1 million subscribers, and you can see the video, you can see the number of video, 836 video. So what you are going to learn here is pure price action trading from beginner to pro. So, and everything here is free. They are all free. So come to playlist. You can come to playlist. So you can start with this. Start with this forex trading for beginners, which is ultimate guide. So there are 13 videos under it, so it will really help you in this journey. Then the next channel that I will recommend is Fortune Talk. Fortune Talks. Fortune Talk. So this guy I think this guy is from India. Yes, he's from India, and he has about 430K subscribers. And you can see the number of videos, 214 videos. So this guy deals with smart money concept, and is you are going to learn everything from A to Z. So let's go to the videos. You can see he has course that is he has separated into season. You have season 1, season 2, season 3. So all you just need to do is to learn. So let's go to playlist. You can see the videos. So this is his playlist. So you can see smart money concept. So if you want to learn this, you can see about 15 videos under it. They are all free, and this guy is not selling any course. Everything here is going to help you. So start consuming it and thank me later. So thank you very much for staying till the end of this video. And if you are yet to subscribe, please again subscribe. Click that subscribe button and like the video. And if you want to comment, comment. And if there's any video, any training you want me to make a video on, please you can indicate in the comment section. See you in my next video.